Sir, my name is Pirthe. I'm from PVM School, Jenka. I scored 520 out of 600, which is 86 percentile. I got all subjects later. I got maximum marks in advanced mathematics and general mathematics, which is 94 marks, and least marks in science and that I think social 80 marks in margin. Yes, sir, I got 86 percentile, which is distinction.
So what will be your aim in life, and what are the strategies of studying you will tell for the upcoming school?
Sir, my aim in life is to become an engineering and or IITian. First of all, I will choose science stream in 11th standard. After passing 11th, there will 12. After passing 12, then I will give JEE entrance exam, joint entrance examination. Then JEE means if clear, then JEE advance. After JEE advance cleared, then I will be selected to IIT. So my aim, I want to go to IIT Bombay. Yes. Ang phone charsilun tung mga pulo nili dugdat nili serong so do ladak harlong kam doji jadi anutin tumda kachongdat kan sigireng side asi pipu tumda cepat duglo harlong pur chot tame ajara din chot tame poisa asap suel itu tame itu fansi nang pipidam det delo asi ar sibak tame manifest pipidat lahai dawe 12 years lage clear Mana exam lang tami hong do pot asil hai ka churagang tung mang labulo asil lason api pu doni te an sitin api pu tum da lason ma thek ni apen lason thek ni lasu penlote asu pu tum tami asu pi tum tami pori ning hang po